Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we have a special unboxing of the TCL 10 5G with the ultra wideband exclusively for Verizon. So let's start the video. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the TCL 10 5G. This is a Verizon exclusive, and you can actually pick this up for $399. When it releases, I will have the information down below. Now, if you guys didn't know, I actually saw this back at CES in 2020. Everybody was asking when it's going to come out for the US because it already came out for the UK. Well, it's finally here, and it's only going to come to Verizon, and it will have a nice little price point. So this does have a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display, has a Snapdragon 765 5G chipset as well, and it does have 128 gigabytes of internal storage and 6 gigabytes of RAM and a 4500 milliamp battery. So enough of the specs and all the talk. Let's go right into the unboxing. Big shout out to them for actually sending this out. This did actually have a top to it as well, but I just figured to show you guys how cool it looks inside this little clear packaging here. So let's just pop this baby out. Let's get my camera situated. Alright, so here's the actual box itself. This reminds me of some Jordan sneakers boxes. Alright, so they did actually send me out some other stuff as well. They sent me out the Presidio Exotech. I just did a video on that one. They sent me a microfiber cleaning cloth, and they sent me out a face mask, because you gotta wear face masks nowadays. But forget about that. Let's get right to the phone itself. Beautiful presentation. Definitely digging that. The power of 5G for everyone. Basically, they're saying that because there's a lot of phones out there that are 5G but cost over $1,000, but this one is definitely under that price point. So here we go, guys. TCL 10 5G. UW means the ultra wideband, but let's give you some information about the actual sensor itself. So this does have a triple camera setup. It has a super wide angle camera, 5 megapixel macro camera, and it does have a 48 megapixel main sensor on here. So let's just go right into the box. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. It shows what's inside the box, and on the side you do get that same information that I did actually tell you a few minutes ago. Qualcomm Snapdragon 5G. So let's just pop this baby out. This is the first time that I'm actually seeing it with you guys. Alright. Okay. Now, the competition for this price point is steep, but those phones are a little bit smaller. This one has a 6.5-inch screen, so this will have a lot of screen real estate. Look at that. Look at the glistening shine on there. That's like a rainbow shine on there. Pretty dope. I really like that one so far. You do have a Type-C, so you have your power button on the side, the volume up and down a little bit close to each other, which I do not mind at all. And you do have a fingerprint scanner, so now we know why we got the microfiber cleaning cloth. Let's clean this up just a bit on camera. So they did actually send this out, but I'm not sponsored by them, so I'm just showcasing how beautiful this phone actually looks, which it really looks really nice, honestly. So let's see what you get inside the box itself. So you have your SIM ejection tool. Usually for the TCL phones, they have their own type of TCL thing in there. Alright, so you have your reference guide. Now, this one should be the one that you get when you unbox your Verizon model. So this is pretty cool. You do have a braided Type-C cable, which is definitely a first. I've never seen that inside a box, inside the phone that I've been reviewing. And you do have your fast charger right over there with the TCL branding. Alright, so let's get into the phone itself. Definitely a nice little hefty phone. So if you guys do have the TCL 10 Pro, I do have it right next to me as well. So let's pop this out. This is the Forest mint green one. So I will have my unboxing to that one right there. But this is how it looks side by side. Let's see if we can clean these off. Now the matte finish that's on the TCL 10 Pro, you can see the fingerprints a lot less. But here's what they look like side by side with each other when it hits the light. Alright, so you guys let me know what you guys think. Alright, so let's boot it up. So the first thing I do notice is that it does have a little bit of bezel up there and all the way around, just like a lot of phones nowadays. But now it's just preparing the phone. So let me run through a little bit of the specs that it's telling me that I could run by here. Alright, so you do have a micro SD card slot for up to 256 gigabytes of storage. So it does run Android 10 as well. Type C, Nano SIM, 5G networks, Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 processor. Aspect ratio is 19 by 5 by 9. The glass is 2.5D front and 3D on the back. Alright, so there's no information of which type of glass it is, but that's about it for the rundown when it comes to the specs. So if you guys want to see more video coverage of the TCL 10 5G, let me know down in the comments below. I will have a nice little review on this, and if you guys want to see camera settings as well, I will definitely do that video if you guys want me to. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the TCL 10 5G and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. Man, the fingerprints in here is a little bit crazy, but that shine is insane.